Something fell off. Landed!
So here's that nitro plane of Tim's again. Look at this. Look at this. That manifold is just ugly as. And it goes down here to this tune pipe with a massive great stinger out the back, way long. Yeah, it's going to be interesting, isn't it? I think it's got a ASB 52 in it, so they're pretty powerful on their own. And of course it has happy face tape on the front, so it's got to go fast. Yeah. Look at that installation, isn't that a beautiful installation? No, it's good, mate.
Pick it up.
Think we're working? There you go, Tim taxiing out the pigeon with the tune pipe. It can only end one way, folks.
The pigeon with the tuned beak.
A rabbit started digging a hole at the end of this taxiway, Ron.
Did it?
Yeah.
Did you shoot it?
No, I didn't have my camera with me.
You run it over the quad.
Yeah. He always catches you off guard, does Tim.
Something fell off. Landed! Something fell off. Landed!
So what happened, Tim? What happened there, mate? I missed all that. What went on?
It's a hell of a walk.
Are you been attracted to Ron's spot?
No, he's way away from my spot. He's over here. Mine was over there.
You missed the spot. No.
I don't know what happened, but it came out, it looked like it went in pretty vertical. So.
Yeah, straight down. Gravity
but
does
didn't
that.
you have any control?
No elevator, nothing.
Ah,
We think the
I
elevator
could
came
see
off.
something flashing,
I saw something
but it looked
falling.
silver.
I saw something falling from
Oh.
the sky. So.
It was your plane. So Tim's going, I better get the rescue quad out, eh? We better go and do a reconnoitre, I think. So Ron, people at home, what's missing on this picture? Could it be the lack of an elevator?
It's an up and down thing.
Yeah, it's the uppy downy.
The lefty righty's still there.
Yeah.
And look, you've got a hole in the wing too.
So what happened, Tim? Sudden lack
Loss of elevator in flight.
Loss of elevator. Did you pre-flight it though? Yeah, pre-flight. Was there when you took off, eh?
Hey, I think on this one.
They were pinned on this one.
But they're not pinned.
Oh, bugger broke the prop, mate.
Yeah, it was a good prop.
Do you reckon that could have been the cause of it? Broken prop?
Must have been that chain pipe I put on it.
Must have been, eh? Too much power.
And it broke the clevis off the horn, so...
Yeah. Mobile Hair Services have arrived. It's the Gordon stuff.
Airfield side rescue.
Yep, here we are.
Get it, Gordon.
Who did the call out for the emergency blow wave? And notice I said wave. Nobody? Yeah, Ron. G'day, Gordon. Hey, ooh, you're looking very summery, mate.
Got to.
Yeah.
It's a bit like that.
What'd you bring today?
Oh, something to play with.
Cool.
Just got to give something a go.
Cool. Get your hands out of your pockets then. Come on.
Yeah, got something to play with.
You missed Tim's flight with his trainer mate.
Oh, yeah?
He's having trouble taxiing now. Go and have a look at the front of it.
No, I'm skidding it around, is it?
Can you see what's missing from this plane? There are two things missing from the plane, the pigeon. See if you can spot them, Gordon. Come on, this is an IQ test. Go, girl. Go.
Don't know.
Go. Oh, man.
You wouldn't believe what happened to this model. Fell from about 200 feet.
Just like Ron's did last weekend.
Straight down, mate.
In the deck.
Straight down like this. And then as it got near the ground, it actually pulled out. And it just went.
Straight into the ground.
And what's missing?
A few bits and pieces.
Look at the tail on it.
Yeah. Is that my phone?
That's your phone, Gordon.
My phone.
She's in another emergency perm job. There's no rest for the wicked. Let's get on the door. State Rescue. If your hair gets frizzy, call them. They come straight away in Gordon's permobile.